with family, but not really fully engaging with people the way we would in a normal year, there are different ways that we look to make a house a home. And this year, one of the best ways you might be able to do so is by adopting a dog. Now, hear me out on this, and this morning to help me with this case is our own Jasmine Kyle, who is with the SEK Humane Society. And Jasmine, I love talking to you about this because when it comes to adopting a dog, you and I have had these conversations for, it's honestly been years at this point. So yeah. What is the #1 case for adopting a dog heading into the holiday season?
Yeah, the biggest thing with adopting a dog, especially during the holiday season, is you're providing that dog something that they probably have never had before. And a lot of our animals, they are strays or they come from very bad backgrounds. So it's honestly a blessing because after every holiday season, we'll get tons of pictures afterwards. And you can see it on their faces of how appreciative and loving that family is to that dog, seeing these dogs completely change to sleeping with the kids, going up and experiencing photos of Santa. It's a beautiful, fantastic moment. And the holiday season is a perfect time to be adopting just because you have a little bit more time to really see the full connection. You've got more bonding time, with people being off of work and everything.
Right. Well, we've got about a minute left, so I want to quickly just go over, there are 2 dogs that are up for adoption, and one of them is Sunshine and the other one is Harley. So tell us about Sunshine and Harley quickly, and what you need
Harley
to do if you're interested.
Harley is our pet of the week. He is a corgi. We never ever get corgis in, but he is a cowboy corgi. Harley is a very sweet boy. He's just like Sunshine though. He's looking for a home with no other dogs. Unfortunately, we think he came from a bit of a bad background where he may have been scruffed too many times. We see that with these little dogs, and when they're adults, it's literally like you choking them. So we do not recommend that for small dogs. So he's a little bit cautious of having something around his neck, like a collar. He hates collars, but you can walk him with a slip leash just fine.
And of course, Sunshine being the other dog that we're highlighting this week. Just use 3 words to describe Sunshine, because Sunshine's one of my favorite stories of all time.
Loving, amazing, and loyal. You never get a dog that will make every single day feel like she can give you more. If you give her hugs, she'll give you 200 back. She will never, ever give you a day where you are sad. She'll make sure of that.
That's awesome. Well, hey, I know you have an adoption event coming up, so quickly give us the details before we head out.
Yeah, this Saturday, PetSense here at Pittsburgh, Kansas. We'll be there from 11 to 1, so for 2 hours, and we'll have 3 adoptable dogs at that event.
All right, we're going to have that information on our website at koamnewsnow.com. Head to our morning show page. If you don't want a dog at this point, come on. They're too cute. There's kittens, too. All right.
There are.
We'll be right back after this.